Today, we'll be going over how to install the X6068S EcoHitch for your Palisade. First, chalk the front tires and raise the rear of the vehicle off the ground. Then, unclip and unbolt the driver's side component cover. Place the driver's side component cover and clips in a safe location. Locate the tire carrier mounting nut in the trunk and lower your spare tire according to your owner's manual to create the clearance needed for hitch installation. Next, use an exhaust hanger removal tool to detach a few exhaust hanging points to create the necessary clearance during hitch installation. Carefully lower the exhaust. After that, locate the upper and lower mounting holes located on each side of the vehicle. Place an M10 split lock washer and 3/8 of an inch flat washer onto each of the M10 bolts and lift the hitch in place. Insert a 1/2 inch hex bolt with a 1/2 inch washer on each of the upper mounting holes to support the hitch in place. Place a 1/2 inch split lock washer on the other side of the frame and partially thread a 1/2 inch nut on each of the 1/2 inch hex bolts. Center the hitch on the vehicle and torque all the hardware to specification. Torque the 1/2 inch bolts to 106 feet-pounds and M10 bolts to 50 feet-pounds. When you're ready to use your hitch, slide the adapter into the receiver hitch and secure it with the provided 5/8 hardware. Always retorque your adapter bolts before enjoying your EcoHitch. Finally, reinstall all factory components with the original hardware in the reverse order of removal except the driver's side component cover.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torquelift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.